Hey class, welcome back. We are moving on to our second lesson of the week. Hope you're ready to roll and rumble with me because we are moving. We're going to do a quick review of nouns and verbs. Remember, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. Don't forget to add that extra animal in because animals they're not people, they're not places, but we're going to categorize them under things. Animals are nouns also. So we have a boy, he's a person, school, it's a place, and an iPod is a thing. Nouns. We are also going to review verbs. Verb is an action word, something you can do. Like this boy is reading. You can sing or you can laugh. You can also sleep. You can think. You can jump. You can run and dance. Those are all verbs, an action word. For your do nower, you're going to find the nouns in verbs. Excuse me, I need to fix that. In our story. Take a look here. So on slide number 5, which would be the first one today, it says circle the nouns on the following 3 pages from our book. I know you have not read this book yet, but we will in a minute. You can still, this is a 2nd grade level text. You should be able to read. Look for the nouns. When you find a noun, a person, place, or a thing, you're going to circle it. So if I scroll down here, I'm going to read this. May I have some of your grain? Grasshopper asked. I found a noun. The word grasshopper is a character in our story, but it is also an animal. I'm going to circle grasshopper. If you mess it up like I did, it's okay. No biggie. Then you're going to do that for all 3 pages. When you get to slide number 6, you're going to circle the verbs, a word that's an action verb. Let's look at that same page. May I have some of your grain? Grasshopper asked. Oh, asking is an action. It's something you do. So I'm going to circle the word asked because asked is a verb. That is all you're going to do. What I need you to do now when you finish your do now, I need you to go to slide number 7, where you're going to listen to me read our story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. And you're going to answer some questions about it. Before I have you answer questions, we're going to review some how to answer multiple choice questions. Let's go ahead and roll right into that. You're going to be able at the end of this class to retell the story of the ant and the grasshopper. Wait, have we heard the story before? We've heard a similar story. It's not, this one's the ant, one ant and the grasshopper. The one we've already read is the ants and the grasshopper. You're going to be able to retell this new story by the end of the day. You're going to be answering some multiple choice questions. Remember, when you are answering multiple choice questions, and this goes for your test this week too, you're going to read the question twice, 2 times. If you can, I want you to look for in box important words. You're going to reread the question if you need to continue to think about the answer. Always, always, always be a detective. Go back and find the evidence in the text. Find that answer in the text. Then you go back to the question, read it again, and find the answer that makes the most sense. So when you go to slide 7, I think it's 7. Let me double check. I'm going to be reading you. Yes, it is. There's a video at the top where I'm going to read our new story, The Ant and the Grasshopper, and then you'll continue to answer questions. All right.